The first one is that you got to have a deal. Means that you got to be selling something that's below the market price. People still buying. People still shops on the internet. In fact, the e-commerce business is even better at this moment of time because people want to stay at home and shop rather than going out to supermarkets or shopping malls or stores. So the first thing is deals. You got to be offering deals. You got to be offering products where your customer have a deal is below the market price, so to speak. The second thing is that you got to sell products where there is a need, not a want. Okay, so let's say you're selling a shirt. A shirt, it's something that they don't need it right now. There are plenty of shirts that they can wear, correct? And what is a need? A need would be like food, right? But we're not referring to that because we're not selling food. So what is a need? Now, I'm not referring to food, shelter, those kind of need. But if you think again, the message of need in marketing here is what the consumer will still need at this moment of time. For instance, right? To give you an example, if someone has a pet, say a pet cat, the pet owner still wants to make sure that the cat is healthy, and probably that the cat owner still wants to train the cat, right? So there's still a need to have that knowledge. Here's another example, right? Despite the down economy, if someone wants to lose weight, that person will still have the need to wanting to lose weight. So this person may still want to have the knowledge on how to lose weight. Another example, let's say someone is single and he wants or she wants to have a relationship. This person will still have the need to have that knowledge on how to attract another gal or a man. There's still a need for that. You see where I'm coming from? So it doesn't mean that you need to sell masks or toilet rolls. And the third thing is this, is that the price, it's affordable. I mean, before the down economy, someone could spend more for a certain product. But right now, well, the market is more careful with their spending. But if it's within a reasonable fee, they do not mind to spend if it's a good deal and it's a need. So these are three key things: good deal, a need, and reasonable pricing. You have three of these, you'll be able to sell. The market still buys, especially on the internet. Now, I hope that you have learned some good marketing insights here. However, not everyone can take advantage of this because you may not have deals to offer at this moment of time. And more importantly, that you may not have a product that the market needs right now. I mean, you could have a product, you could be selling, I do not know, maybe shirts, right? But even though you can have a good deal for your shirts, but there's no need for someone to buy a shirt. But the good news is that there's a way how you can solve this immediately, which the answer is none other than affiliate marketing, where there are deals everywhere that you can promote and also finding the products that the market needs in order for it to sell. So you have to get started as soon as possible because you want to make money and build your wealth. So the faster you start, the better it's going to be, because I do not know how long this whole down economy is going to be. This is why I wanted to help you by releasing the Operation Recession Takeover. So this is a comprehensive program that I'm launching specifically tailored to help you make money as fast as possible during this time so that you generate this income and you can do something with it, which is none other than invest for your future. It's a comprehensive program. We will have all the details here right now on this webpage. But it's very simple. I want to show you how you can launch your affiliate campaign in just 5 days, which means that in 5 days, you could be in business. And you could be someone who have no experience, totally newbie, and that's fine. And if you follow the plan, you'll start to see sales. This is probably the fastest system I've ever created to get someone to get started and start making sales from affiliate marketing. So 30 days from now, you could be pocketing an extra maybe 3,000 US dollar in your bank account. And you could be using this money to lock in stocks so that now you're buying stocks with the income that you made and not from your own savings. Just think, how nice would it be if you start having Microsoft stocks, Apple stocks, and so on for free in that sense? Of course, I'm not sure whether you make $3,000 in 30 days or just $1,000 or $10,000. It's up to you how much you're going to scale the entire system. So Operation Recession Takeover, the entire system, is a program that we will sell for 500 US dollars, to be more precise, $499. However, let's face it, it's recession time right now. And you would also want to be careful with your cash, true? I mean, I'm just being very transparent with you. So instead of offering at $499 like during the good times, I'm going to just offer it for just $49, which is 90% discount off what price that we'll be offering. And why I'm doing that? Because I just want to help you to get started and so that you don't lose out this opportunity, this window of opportunity. The fact is that this is happening right now and it will be a waste if you don't ride on it. You should probably be doing this not just for yourself. If you have a family, it's for your family because it's actually planning for the future. And if you ask me, what do I get back in return? It's very simple. I'm always a long-term thinker. I'm a long-term entrepreneur. I mean, if I can help you to make $3,000 or even just $1,000 for a start, and you start seeing money within the next 2 weeks, who would you learn from when the economy picks up back? If I can add value to you right now, if I can win your trust, I'm quite convinced that when the economy picks up and you're ready to say maybe hire a coach or even the person who you think of, I hope that it's going to be me, where then I can offer to you my other programs. I mean, I have workshops. I have one-to-one mentoring program where it's offered at 10,000 US dollar. But I don't expect you to, join any of those programs at this moment of time because it's sort of recession. So when you make money, I hope that you'll consider looking for me again. Alright, with that said, the details will be on this page right now. So I hope that you get started with Operation Recession Takeover as soon as possible. And I'll see you inside then. Take care.